Dynamics AX is a very powerful product configurator, which is vital for when we are producing our individual pieces of furniture. Some pieces of furniture are asked quite a number of questions that eventually build up to being the bespoke piece of furniture that the customer requires. So answering these questions, you would answer fabric, for example, and we have a whole range of fabric. We have hundreds of fabrics that could be the possible answers. You then may ask the question of action. Is it a manual, is it a powered action, is it a lift and tilt, etc. And all these questions and answers are set up in the configurator, and then that produces the distinct bill of materials that's required to manufacture that product. We found this far more flexible than our previous product, as we could have constraints within the configurator so that one question can be dependent upon another. For example, if you have an action that is powered, then you may have the ability to use a massage unit, for example, whereas if you answered the question of the action to be manual, then a massage unit is not available in that particular product. So you can allow and disallow questions depending upon the way you configure the product. It makes it easier for sales order entry time. People can't configure a product that is not available to be made or available to be sold. So it cuts the process down and makes life a lot easier for everybody concerned. It's very important that customer service is a vital part of any business, and the ability to produce the right item the very first time, it aids this process. The last thing you want to do is to produce an item for the customer that they don't want, that is not what they've asked for. And by having constraints in the configurator, it enables the sales order ladies to ensure that they're configuring a product that is allowed. The demonstration that Syscom provided was by far and away the best, and they took a lot of time and a lot of effort to help us understand how the product would work for us in a business environment.